What more gives you happier than representing your country in the global stage? It was before 18 years. In 2006, for the first time, I gone and participated in Midest in Paris, and after that, a lot of exhibitions abroad. And I always felt India should be promoted in a greater way in the global platform. This time at AMB, Messe Stuttgart, Germany, Machine Maker is going to present a Make in India Pavilion where 10 proudly Indian manufactured machine tool solutions will be displayed from our stall. I take this opportunity to thank Sachin Patil, late Sachin Patil, who was the managing director of Messe Stuttgart India, who were so helpful in making this dream happen.
I'm here to welcome you for our upcoming event AMB, which is scheduled in the month of September. This event takes place every 2 years and it's at the heart of the metalworking industry here in the south of Germany. We expect a good amount of Indian delegation also coming to the show, and nice Indian exhibitors showcasing and displaying their innovative tech and products here in AMB.
Welcoming you here in Stuttgart in September 2024. It's AMB time, so the who is who of the metalworking industry will be here in Stuttgart, and we are happy to welcome you here to be our guests in September.
I will take this opportunity to thank everyone at Messe Stuttgart in Germany and Messe Stuttgart in India for making this Make in India Pavilion happen. We are going to be there at near to Hall 1, East Entrance, EO 134 booth. So take your time and come and visit to find out how you can collaborate with India.